Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to episode 3 of Sky Factory 4. Uh, I really hope you enjoyed last one. Leave a like if you really want to keep watching some of these or all of these. I don't know. Yeah, I changed my skin because I couldn't put. I was gonna try to put my skin in the thumbnail. Well, yeah, that one didn't have eyes in the front. And while I was offline, I just made 2 small farms, like small. Don't worry, when I say small, it means small. It's not like I have too much. Right now, you're gonna see probably a lot of this that I do offline work. I like to play this a lot, like a lot. I like to play it too much. So offline work is one of my favorite things to do. So right now, what we're trying to get is 2 full farms. Right now I have only 1 full farm. Full. I think it's 7x7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, it's a 7x7. So I mean we have 49 of these right here. Let me see if the stone axe. I need stone. So yeah, I made some barrels where stuff is saved in, and then everything is organized. I was gonna organize it right here, but I guess I can use the back. I'm gonna use the back over there so I can make a lot of different farms, and then 3 blocks in between each farm, making it look good. I'm using the jungle wood as my plate, like as the farm floor. I'll keep expanding. Let me go get some wood. Yeah, we have 9 stacks of wood. And we put it back. I need slabs. Yes. With these slabs, we can expand this back here a little bit more. But I think this is enough. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it would be. I'm gonna leave 1 fence, or should I make it 1 block apart? I think I should make it 1 block apart. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here to here. And then if I go over here, it would be right here. 2 right here. Yes. Let me clear up this area. Oh, and by the way, another thing you might see a lot often is crafting tables. Even though I have my own, which I don't have it right now, but like the crafting tables, I'm gonna put crafting tables everywhere. I need crafting tables. They're the symbol of life and peace. I need them everywhere so I can just turn around, boom, crafting table. And I need to fix my axe now. So yeah, I did some offline work. Hope it's not that bad that you guys don't get mad, even though most of you don't even care. But yeah, make some cobblestone. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, okay, there you go. Yeah, I made these fences or simple sticks. Look at the recipe, just 2 sticks and some wood on the sides. So yeah. Right now, let me just make the corners right off the bat. I keep forgetting about the shift and sprint button. Super annoying, but still, you gotta do what you gotta do. Yeah, let me. Oops. What the hell? So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed last video. It took me a little while to edit it too. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the middle. 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. I did like, how's it called? I made a stack of chests because I have enough wood to make a stack of chests, and then I made those boxes. You see those boxes? They can store up to like 20 stacks ish. I'm not sure, I didn't count correctly. So yeah, it can save up a lot of items in one single box without having to use a chest. I accidentally made a cabinet trying to make one of these. No, you gotta keep it going. Gotta keep it going. I think I have ladders in another chest. Okay, I don't know. No, you can't jump them. And put these here. I love that they're perfect fit. They perfectly fit on top of these. I made them for that single reason. Now let me put 2 torches here. Make sure the zombies don't spawn. Now the island's big enough for monsters to start spawning. But Torchman doesn't want that, you know. Torchman. Move this 1 block higher. There you go. Now I can use this crafting table. Let me make some stairs and have an organized area for the other ones. Let me grab jungle wood. I tried to make a system where I had all of them connected to this hopper, and then there was a chest, which is this chest, but it doesn't work. So what I need to do is start getting the iron tree. So what I have planned for this episode, I'm gonna try to get the iron tree as fast as I can, because I need it. I don't need it. I definitely don't need it. I need it. Nah, SpongeBob too good, you know. Mulch. Where's the jungle? Okay. Oh, I like this. Look at it. Let me. It opens. See it? It's fun to use. Let me make some slabs. Not all of it, you know. Just some. Yeah. I think it's like 49 per thing, so it would be like boom boom. I don't know. We got more bricks. Since I made this, it's easier to harvest, so I just do this. If I miss some, it's hard, but yeah. There you go. Everything in order. When I get those automatic hopper things, it's gonna be so perfect. So I need clay. The next one is sand, and the other one's gonna be gravel. Because to get iron, I need grout. So we're gonna figure that out. Let me store everything I just got into the things. Oh yeah, let me set those up. Hurry up and set those up. I don't know how much I can try to get right now. I just want 25 of the pots in each of these. I don't care if it's a full. It just needs to have 25. That's the minimum for my mind to have. So let's just fill up the starting part, because it's not gonna fill completely. I need jungle ones too, because you know, shit. This is okay. Let's fill this one first though. Let's put it right in the corner. Boom, boom, boom. Put the mulch down. Oops. Yeah, the hoppers can't get these because this is a block. It's not transparent, so for some reason the hoppers can't grab it from the bottom. Which tree I was gonna do? Let's do sand. Let me grab some of these. I got a lot of them. 37. Remember, I made 64 chests, so I have enough. And you only need 4 for the saplings, the resin, the leaves, and the acorns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There you go, all 15 of them. Boom, boom. Now I'm gonna go make even more because we need all of the ones we can. Up, up, up. Oh, I'm eating. Let me eat. Okay. This guarantees us a little bit of saplings. It doesn't guarantee us a lot of them. So if I can, I will probably start farming those so we can get a lot more saplings. Let me grab all of it. Turn it into clay amber. 47. Damn. Put this here, put this here, put this here. Okay. Put this here back. Okay, now we have 47 of these, which means I have a few stacks. Yep, put these to melt, put these to melt. I'll put half of these here, and I'll put the other half here. So grab, okay. I really love this so much. So yeah. My FPS is on 70. Let me see how much I get when I look up. 80 and then 100. Yeah, the shaders make it normal. Then you remove this chest. It doesn't matter if it falls. I'm getting too much sand. Let me. What was I gonna do? I forgot. Let me grab some extra of these. Extra of these. So yeah, let's make. Okay, I made this mini farm so I don't have to do the jungle trees, but I guess I need them because I need the wood so I can keep making the farms different types of colors. If it's all the same color, it's gonna look really bad. The concentration of one color makes it look plain. Oops. There you go. I don't like having only one color to decorate. Let's put these back. Did I put those back there? I guess I did. I don't remember. Oh, I got more jungle. Okay, let me go fill those up. Let me go do this real quick. Oh my god, I forgot to do this one. Damn. It's okay. It's not like I'm gonna die or anything. Boom, I fell off the island. Oh my god, jeez. Gotta keep her going, Going in fast, going in fast, going in fast. I might just upload like 2 videos a day because I love this. I love playing this in general. Let me put one more mulch in here. I don't mind having only 6 of them. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. How many? I think I don't have a full plot. So yeah, some jungle wood over here. I already filled this. Let me store all this. I need 4 of those. Go back there. I I put the stone right here because we need stone. For some reason I don't have a cobblestone generator, which I'm gonna try to get. I doubt I'm gonna get it this episode, but yeah, I'm gonna try to get it. Boom, boom. Keep the mulch incoming. Yeah, wouldn't hurt. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, it broke. So yeah, let's put sapling right here to have it organized right off the bat. This and this, and then sand leaf. Boom. Now let's go back there, get some stuff. This one doesn't have that many, so I'm gonna grab from this. I didn't mean to grab 2 of them. So yeah, I'm gonna go right here. I made a lot of charcoal. We need that charcoal, you know. Boom, boom. Come on, give me 10. Perfect timing. Yes, we got 8 more. Mulch is running low. JK. I just do this. And it broke. I forgot. Damn. Oh, right here, crafting table broken. I've barely broken just 612 blocks. That's not that much, you know, for a stone axe being broken 5-6 times already. It's not that much. I gotta get more cocoa. Maybe I'll make it automatic cocoa farm. Easy peasy. We gotta keep it going. Break you. I think it was full. I'm not sure. This one is full, so that one wasn't. Now we got enough. Now we do sticks up in here. Boom, 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 boom. A lot of mulch, a whole stack. Let me grab this from here. You have my inventory for now. We gotta keep her going. Boom, boom, boom. I think I took the sapling from this one accidentally, or that one didn't have a sapling. I don't know. Let's put some of these parkour. Ooh, yeah, there you go. This here, this over here. More torches. I need torches. I don't care if there's too many in one area. We need as many torches as possible. We will never run out of torches, you know. I can't run out of torches. I need them. Then grab more of these. These ones are finished. So yeah, we got a lot more of these. Let me grab the gravel seeds. Boom, everything is out of the gravel. Now we put this over here with the mulchy mulch. Yeet. Keep her going. Gotta keep her going. No, non-stop. So hopefully we can get those iron. I doubt I'll get the iron sheet today, but I can say that we will get the furnace. Let me keep harvesting these. Boom, 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 boom. Only got one sapling like I thought I was going to. Where's the sapling? Right here. Let me put it down. So let's store up everything we need to store. I think I need to get the coal sapling too. I'm not sure. Gravel resign. Wait, wrong side. Gravel acorn. Gravel resign. Wait, what? Gravel that. I don't. Gravel doesn't like leave leaves. That's odd. Oh, we do get gravel's leaves. Oh, we get flint too? Oh, damn, that's bad. It's gonna mess up my organization. Ah, damn. It's okay, I'll take this away. Put leaves over here. Okay, now everything is organized. More than ever. You know, we can't run out of stuff. Let me grab one stack. Put the rest of this here. Even though we need these two saplings right here. Boom, boom, boom. Put the crafting table right in the middle because that's gonna help me just do boom, pow, gravel. Can make a lot of gravel, even though that's not that much, but still enough. Keep putting stuff back in the chests. I need to grab sand. Yeah, I know I'm putting more torches than I'm supposed to, but I don't care. I need to keep going. And you know what? I need another crafting table right here. Let's make some sand. We got 16 in that. Okay, let me go get more clay. Wait, never mind. It's not gonna be organized, but yeah, just let it go. Boom, boom. keep her going. The thing is, every time I harvest this, the axe durability doesn't go up, so it's not actually getting more blocks destroyed. So most of those blocks was just me destroying some blocks that I misplaced and some trees that were there before I started making this farm. But yeah, I told you guys I was gonna get those, gonna try to automate as much as I can. I already got those. Now we gotta use more acorns. It's time for clay. Then boom. Wait. Put this right here. Got sand. And we got gravel. Grout! We got 48 grout, which will be really useful. I put this right here where the food was going to be. Put the food in my second bar. Now eat up. Boom, boom, pow. Gotta keep her going. Did I accidentally bite it? No. Okay. Let me just leave what I need to leave right here. Yeah, so now it's becoming a lot simple. I don't need to break all the trees. Sand. I need resign and acorns and everything. So yeah, more grout, more everything. So the rest of the clay, I'll save it up for more of these. More of these. Damn, I forgot. Damn, yeah, more of these. Yes, correcto. I got sand, gravel. Let me grab all of this so I can keep making sand. I need more resign and keep making this. Boom, I got more gravel. Gotta keep it going. Let me look for more pots. I think I put more, or this ones are not done yet. Weren't done yet. 31. Boom. There you go. That's a lot. Right here, got 12 of these. The seared brick is for the furnace. Let me check the achievement book. I don't know where I left it. Right here. Boom. So right now we're up to palm trees. I can do cotton so we can make a bed and make the time go faster. Tin would be good, and coal, but I'm skipping right here. I'm skipping right here. I don't know how to do some stuff, so I'm just going straight for furnace. I love the furnace. I like the mod. I forgot the name. The Tinker's Construct mod. So cotton sapling and no wait, which one is the first one? I think I need to do this coal sapling. Okay, let's activate coal. Where's the sapling? Right here. So a birch, and for a birch we need 1 sand sapling in water. Let me grab the water bucket, put it in a cauldron. I made this cauldron. So let me go get a sand sapling, mulch. Put these last 2 in. Boom, boom. 1, 2, and take the 3rd one. Okay, put mulch in. I forgot. Let's put this right here, and then just let's make sure I don't use wood like too much of it, even though I don't care. Put this right here. That's enough for 1. Let's keep making mulch. Let's put a little bit over here so we can just farm random ones. Okay, give me more mulch. It doesn't matter what type of things I farm over here. Making a backup. It doesn't matter. Make this, keeping this. everything I need. Oh, where's the sand and gravel? Right here. Just some building blocks over here just in case. I was cooking up the coal, 16 tons. Right here, this one's growing. Wait, I have an idea. A bone tree. Let me put some bone trees up, and I can grow this one. Let all of these grow. Wait, is mulch as? I'm not sure if mulch acts as straight up dirt, which is all I need. 90, 100, 100, 100. So yeah, let me grab this and see if it works. Nope. No, let me grab the dirt. One piece of dirt. Boom, boom. I did not get any bone meal. That's weird. Boom, boom, boom. No bone meal yet? Damn. So yeah, let's grab this bone tree. Where is it? Bone. I'll make one of these and then turn this into this, and then it grew. Wow. Perfecto. I didn't mean to, but yeah, it worked. Gotta keep the tree. I need more saplings, a lot of them. Small pieces of coal I'm getting. Keep her going. That's a lot of coal. I got a ton of them. Okay. So what's next on the book? Let me get the book. I keep leaving it everywhere. So we got next. Use coal acorns and resign to craft a piece of coal. That's simple. Coal, resign a piece of coal. Collateral damage. Now amber. Okay. Crafting in iron amber. Okay. Amber. Bone amber. I'm really bad at finding these. Iron amber. Okay. Get an iron amber. I need coal, gravel, sand, and clay. The ones I already have. Nice. So with this, I can use the furnace, which I am crafting up right now. A little bit of it. And then I can... Let me put some of these over here. Boom, boom. There we go. Put more. All of them in. I need to grab more of these. We can't stop. There are better mulches, like the better dirt-ish. I don't know how to call it. Yeah, mulches. So yeah, there are better mulches that make these trees grow almost instantly, I think it is. But those are like top tier stuff. We can't do it right now. Let's use the clay. Make more. The sand, I barely have some. Let me put this in the corner. Put everything inside of it. I don't mind. So I can go farm the. Oh, never mind. I need the cobblestone so I can fix my axe. Keep her going. Can't stop. Let's go grab more gravel. More. Keep her going. Stack of food will last me a while. Over here. Let's go. Okay. More and more every time. When this one finishes, this one is starred. So it's an infinite cycle of keep farming. When I do get those hoppers, it's gonna be so much better. Boom, boom. go. This one is finished. That means this one has grown. Oh, almost. Okay, there you go. And put the sapling right there. Keep her going, keep her going, keep her going. Damn, I got 4 in one go. That's actually super nice. So yeah, let's start making some sand. Boom, a lot of sand. Gravel. Boom, a lot of gravel. That's a little bit. Let me go get the clay from over here. Grab some of these. So yeah, let me grab sand, gravel, dirt. Okay. Put this into grout. 48 more grout. Put it right here. Here you go. We got 48. Keep it going. So I forgot what was the things. Okay. First thing we make is the controller. Okay. Second thing we make is the box. I'm gonna make a small one. So I just need 3 of these. Okay. We need bricks. So it's gonna take me a lot of more materials. Let me keep farming. So I guess the things I don't have is enough. Then I broke it again. Damn, this thing breaks fast. Let's put this here. After this I can store all the wood I can. Come on, keep her going. Yeah, I'm full of wood. Let me go store up the wood. Boom, boom. Another stack of wood. Still can't pick up everything. Put this here. My inventory is getting full of shit. Okay. So let's put the smeltery over by here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make sure keep her. Continue. I think it's a boom. 2 more layers. Gotta put torches just in case. Can't let them spawn. Okay. Right here. So it's gonna be get right here in the middle. It's okay if the wood falls. It's not like I have too much, you know. Okay, let's keep her going. Stop. I think I need to move this 1 more block further away. Yeah. Even though I need to move it even more than few blocks. Well, the controller is gonna be right here, so I can get it off my inventory. The drains are gonna be over this direction. Put the drains right here. There you go. Grab more of these so I can start making the blocks. And put the floor in so it's cha-cha-cha. And boom. Finished it. I need a few more blocks. So let me see. I have clay. Let me clear my inventory first. Everything. So let's type. We need clay, you need coal, you need gravel and sand, resign, and we can make the iron. So yeah, let me just keep grabbing more coal and more clay first. Keep it going non-stop. This is super boring because it's the same thing repetitively, but it gets better when I get that furnace up. Don't worry about it. I need to grab the cobblestone that I always keep leaving. Boom. Fix it all the way. Let me go farm these up. Okay. Non-stop. Put this here, put these here. Come on, come on. Come on, keep it going. We got some acorns, which means I'll be able to make. Where is it? Oh, 10. That's how you make 10. Nice. So iron amber. Does this matter? No. 3 iron ambers. Boom. Now after this, I have the clay, sand, and gravel. I need some more sand, a lot of it. We want to keep making those seared bricks. This used to be harder in the third one because the trees are so much faster than the chickens, because the chickens, you need to level up the chickens and stuff like that. Right here there's no level up system in general, so everything is just slightly faster and better. Like they upgraded it by a lot. But yeah, I put the leaves there, the saplings there. So let's grab more coal. Get her going. Gravel. Okay, grab more of these. Okay, gravel. Crafting table. There you go. More gravel. 10 more gravel. Now we do sand. 12 more sand. Now we do clay. 26 more clay. So you can put these in the inventory. This right here. 4, and then put this out, and then 4 more. It's kind of shapeless crafting, but yeah, something more grout. Let me divide the grout this time. Put some here, some here. Okay, put more blocks up. It's gonna take me a little bit. Keep her going, keep her going. With this right here. Oh, I forgot I need 3 tables that go over here, so it's 2, so it would be 5, I mean 7, 7, 7, with 21 extra seared brick for the sides. The acorns, what can I use acorns other than that? So molten clay. So they are useless. Nice. Should I? No, I'll keep farming these up back here. Okay. Keep it going. I'll be back when I finish that smeltery, or enough to finish it. So yeah, guys, I'm back. barely finishing up, and my inventory is full like always. It's never organized. We gotta keep making the clay and all the other resigns that we need, but it seems it's super annoying to get some. So right now, how do I organize? I know there was a button for organize. Oh, I found it. Yeah, baby. Now we organize everything. Boom, get that cobblestone out of there. I had to make a pickaxe so I can pick up a cauldron. I need one. I need this. I need the other bucket because I got something really good. I'm not sure if the bucket's gonna survive though. 1 2 3 1 2 3. I can only make 2. I made flower pots. I'm gonna die. I made flower pots. Oh my god. They'll be remembered for the rest of time. Damn. Put flower pots. Damn, I'm really good at Minecraft. I didn't mean to. So yeah, we got a cauldron. If we put a cauldron on top of a torch and give it cobblestone, we will get lava. So put the rest of this here, and I can grab lava, and on this seared tank I can put the lava, and the bucket is gone. Yeah, it destroys the buckets. So I think I can put 4 more. 1 2 3 4, and then I got more lava. Grab another lava bucket, put it right here. I just need 3 more seared bricks, so let me keep trying to do all this. Boom. Fix this all the way. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's keep her going. Okay, there we go. Can't stop, won't stop. Best quote ever, just kidding, I don't know. Got more sand, we got more gravel. I got enough dirt, I got enough clay to keep her going. Clay is over here. I think, never mind, I'm really bad at finding stuff. Yeah, I'm really bad. So 1 2 3 4, and then 1 2 3 4. Can only make 16 of these, which is enough. Wait, wrong one. 8 and then 8. Oh my god, I got so much wood. Where's the wood? Okay, put it right there. We gotta we already have enough of that, so let me just get some stone. So with the stone I can make cobblestone, which I needed for the lava. With the lava I can make a automatic cobble generator. Let me check. Oh, what did I do? Oh, from this point on my recording got messed up. So right now the only thing you can see is my cursor, and everything is done for. I accidentally pressed full screen mode and it disabled the recording software. So right now I'm just straight up dead. I made the rest of it. So I ended up making the furnace, and I ended up knowing that the furnace doesn't need a furnace controller for some reason. But I put some lava, I made the whole thing completely, and then I got an iron block, and that's the end. Yeah, that's that. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe for more content that's not destroyed like this. Next time I'll pay attention. I didn't know this could happen. And I hope You give me a like for this poor time. Just kidding. A like if you enjoyed. Share it with your grandma, and see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.